Hello, my presentation is about the organism Amphioctopus marginatus by me, Kylie Nam. There are a few different names that the Amphioctopus marginatus has. The common name is a coconut octopus, and the scientific name is Amphioctopus marginatus. I'm going to refer to it as the coconut octopus because the scientific name is way too hard to say. I'm going to mess a lot on these names as well, but I'll try my best to pronounce them. This is the taxonomic information about the coconut octopus. The kingdom is Animalia. The phylum is Mollusca. The class is a Cephalopoda. The order is Octopoda. The family is Octopidae. The genus is Octopus QV. Where the coconut octopus located and other information. They are benthic creatures that live in extreme depths up to 3,000 to 4,000 meters deep and are one of the rarest octopod species. According to David Stanley, a student at Vermont University, the coconut octopus is an important predator and keeps levels of its prey species, fish, crustaceans, and shrimp, healthy in its habitat. It can also be predated upon large octopuses, big fish, and many shark species, making them an important population regulator and food source. Sharks and bigger fish are both predators to the coconut octopus, as shown on the right side photo. But the coconut octopus is a predator to clams, shrimp, crabs, and small fish, also located on the picture to the right. The coconut octopus is a hereditary consumer. Temperatures of the water has to be 34.695 Celsius and 26.468 Celsius, around there. Salinity has to be around 33.864 to 35.373 parts per thousand, and the density of the water has to be low. The coconut octopus is not endangered, but it does have a high risk of being overfished because it is a delicacy food. This is a coconut octopus with eggplant dish on the right. The coconut octopus can be found in warm tropical waters or across the Indo-Pacific Sea in Asia. They can also be found in muddy or sandy seabeds, and they mostly take shelter in coconut shells or other shells. That's how they got their name, coconut octopus. This picture was taken by a scuba diver named Mario Newman, and this is what they look like. And these are my citations. Thank you for listening. Bye.